Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to look on how to transfer money on Revolut. So by the end of this video you're going to get the ins and outs on Revolut and how to transfer money from it. If you want to use the referral link and you want to make an account with Revolut, please check the description of this YouTube video to make an account with Revolut. Now we're going to go into the add money section. Before we do that, you have to have some money into your account. Now because my account is limited, we're going to press get full access. It's going to send us a confirm with Revolut app. So in order to be able to use Revolut onto your application, you're going to need to get the application onto your phone. Then as soon as I confirm, it's going to say, do you want to use Revolut on your PC? Authorize. It's going to allow me to use Revolut now fully on my computer. Now, once we've done that, as soon as you add money as well, you're going to press send. Send to whatever recipient you want. Send the amount of money that you want. And you should say send from Revolut. If you want extra security, tick in the authentication in order to ask you to authenticate every time you make a bank transaction, and then press continue. Once you press continue, it's going to ask you for a review of the transaction. You're going to press review and continue, and that money is going to come instantly to your recipient. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.